Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Pleasantly crisp winter weather dominating Queensland this week with mostly clear skies, except of course in the wet tropics where clouds are always a little bit harder to shake off. Temperatures have once again fallen below average, especially last night on the granite belt where heavy frost settled this morning. Our top today in Toowoomba was 17 degrees. The satellite loop is pretty straightforward, as you can see. The wet tropics have got some clouds streaming across with a southeast wind. It hasn't been much in the way of rainfall, mostly Cassowary Coast and other exposed areas. The west of Queensland is basically dry. You can see a few showers forming offshore of the northern New South Wales coast in association with this big spiralling low that you can see way down in there at Tasman Sea. Now on today's chart, a high is dominating the country. It's sitting just over Adelaide. It's not a strong system, but it's very broad and it's projecting cool, dry southern air right up into the tropics. On tomorrow's chart, the high moves across Bass Strait. Not much different, but the ridge pushes a little bit further north. So now we have a slight increase in winds in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. Some early frost, maybe some fog in the east, but then bright and sunny with Dalby reaching 19 degrees, same for Gundawindi, Toowoomba 16, Warwick 1 to 18. For the southeast coast, fine and sunny. 21 the top for Gatton, Ipswich 22 degrees, Brisbane again 21. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, the next few days we'll see mostly sunny weather with temperatures slightly on the cool side of average, but clouds gathering this Thursday could bring a shower or two for Friday, Saturday. For Warwick, again, we'll start with a couple of frosty mornings, but they'll start to warm up later in the week and then some showers coming early in the weekend, clearing again. That goes for Dalby as well. Couple of cool nights, there'll probably be frost, but up to a minimum of 10 degrees on Saturday, warm because of all the cloud. Someone's just asked me a corker of a question, which I'll try to answer in 20 seconds. What causes wind? In a nutshell, the sun causes all our wind and weather because it heats the earth unevenly. And wind is just air rushing around the globe, trying to even out the temperature imbalances. The summer sea breeze is a great local example. The sun cooks the land until huge bubbles of hot air start to rise, leaving behind a void that's quickly filled by a cool rush of wind from the ocean. It's the uneven heating of land and sea that keeps the sea breeze blowing. That's the short answer, folks. Have a nice evening, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks, and we'll catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us, good night.
Good night.